So good evening, everyone. My name is Ankit, and I am the student of the batch PY205, and my student code is FD41470118, and my project code is B42 underscore DA underscore 005 underscore quantum queries. So I am excited to be about our project, which is a startup investment analytic, where we analyze the key trends where we key trends, risk, and the opportunity that can help to be investor to make a data-driven decision. Slow first get go through all our code. So let me share my screen. So this is our main file, main which is named as the app.py. So we for the proper modulation about all the code. So proper the folder structure. So we using the different folders name like as it is a main py file. So we will making a modules because for the proper code structure. So we can divide all the tasks for the different cases like as to providing the proper information and also that can help me making improving the readability of the code. So we can divide all the task like as in the data analytics project in the startup investment analytics project we perform the data cleaning, we perform the EDA, and then after that we making the dashboard. And the dashboard we were also making the different performing the different tasks like as to defining the KPI, then after that defining the like as the proper visual. So we can define it in the different files so that can help to be whenever we want to changes anything they can help to do it in the file, so that can make it and the proper folder structure that can help about the proper a file structure, so that can help to be providing the proper file structure in our project that can help to be increase the readability of the code and also improve the scalability also. So it is a main file. So we having a module section. Okay. This was our folder structure of our projects, like showing about the assets, then having the storing all the PDF, all the images about related to the projects, like logo and about related to our graphs. Okay. This is the data section. We have in the clean dataset file, and then original dataset file. Okay. Now move to the data wrangling. It is in a cleaning part. So we having the documentation of the cleaning. Okay. So we can see this is the we can see all the cleaning document, all the cleaning code. So we can have like as firstly in the data in this project, firstly we are analyzing our data sets, means getting all the information about that, what is the amount of what column will tell what the things. So we can collecting all the information about the data set, then firstly then starting to project firstly clean the data set. So we having in the this like as firstly identify, then check any missing value. If any have missing, then handle the missing value using the different techniques like imputation. So for making this application, we use like as we using the different tech stack. So handling the missing value, formatting the date column, and checking the all the value, removing the duplicate value. Then after that, performing all the operation, then save a clean data set. Okay. Then we starting the EDA process. It is in a basic EDA process. So we have the finding all the column, like as we are the column will presented. Then finding the key insights using the different using the different descriptive statistics. So performing all the different statistics, we can identify all the different functionality and the different insights basis on the data set. Then we having the EDA file that's showing the advanced EDA documentation using the different code structure. So in the using this code structure, we can also perform the different advanced EDA part, which is the exploratory data analysis. After cleaning the data, as then we performing the EDA, which is finding the different insights. So we having the basic insights and also the advanced insights. Okay. Now to move to the app.py section. So it is a main file. Then we go to the module section. So we having like as it is a this is a loader file, so that can help to be load the data file in our a Streamlit dashboard. So we're using the catch.fata that can help to be store your data set in the catching, that can help to be take a less time, or that can help to be making your data or making your application, your project or application to be in scalable. So that can help take a less time to load our data sets. So that can help to be reducing the workflow. Then it can help to optimize your performance, optimizing your deployment also. It's showing the filter wise, so we can all the filter, all the dynamic data value that can showing on the dashboard. We can code here. This is code showing the animation part that are showing in the your in the dashboard part only. So it is in KPI section. So using this code, we can create defining the KPI, and also providing the interactive way using the different CSS functionality also to making our code like about the KPI when we make an interactive way. That is in a util sections. So we can providing in some utility classes here. So it is in a visualization pie. So all the graphs that are present in the dashboard. So defining here. Okay. Then this is a license file. So defining about the MIT license. Then it is a README file about all the code structure from the starting point, about the flow chart and what are the project included, what are the feature included, and about team member. All the details are present here in our README file. It was like as a clear providing a clear documentation and comprehensive documentation to the users that can help to guide the users to how can you use this application, how can you use this application, and also the non technical person can understand about all the this application and use this application to solve the and help you improving the business operations. This is the requirement file showing all the which library will be used in this project. So for making this application, we're using the tech stack like as using the different library of the Pandas, NumPy library, Pandas library, and also using the Streamlit library for the making the dashboard. Also using the Streamlit loader for the animation part, and Plotly for the data visualization and the iterative data visualization. Now move to the dashboard section. It is our final dashboard output. So using this code, we can make in this dashboard. So it's showing our team name, which is Quantum Carries. It's showing about the project details, like as about the project name title, showing the key performance indicator, we showing the key matrices or the number that can help to be a businessman. So because the businessman can listen only the numbers, so we be using these numbers, we can analyze the which market segment we can invest on the on which market segment, about the to average funding per startup, total funding, the data we have about the total startup that we have studied and identify the different insight basis on that, the total market segment based in the different regional area, like as in the e-commerce segment in the India, that in the USA will get in the biology, the number of startup in which sit in the which country will getting a more funded, like in the India, how much in the USA, in which sit in the which country will getting the more investment. So it is just showing the filter section. So we can getting that using this filter section, we can dynamically update all the values. Then we showing all the graphs, like as total funding means showing the total funding basis on the different category, different markets. So it's showing the country, means about the country, which country will get in the how much funding. So showing the all the values. Now we show under the that's going showing the about the startup success rate, the how many startup will getting the success, how many getting a failure, that like showing the 2.85, showing that is a close, means startup will getting a fail. That's showing the different 10 countries, which showing the number of startup basis on the different state country. That's showing the USA, because in the USA we're getting and basis on the demographic and the number of startup getting a more funding in the USA. So it's showing the different number of startup basis on the each state in the USA using this graph, providing a complete and interactive and visualization. So they're showing the correlation between 3D correlation matrix between the different funding rounds. Now move to the, so in this using this graph, it is showing the world graph that can help to be analyzing the different total funding basis on the each country. So basically like a USA showing the country code and also showing the total amount due to funding. So you can also analyze for the different country also, like as for the India, we're showing also value using the this map also. Now move to the, so we can also identify the total funding basis on the funding year, like a basis on the year. So we can also provide perform the basis on the we will find out the between the 2 years. We can also find out using this filter option that can help to dynamically update the code also and the dynamic update the graph. Also, this can also show in the funding growth basis on the different on the per year also, and also showing the different market segment also. We can also dynamically update all the codes and the features basis on the year also. Now it is all about my project and showing about the team members and showing the animation features. Now we can walk through about the our GitHub profile. So this is our GitHub profile. So this is our team name. So we added all the file section here. Now this is our the project name, which is project topic, which is the start investment directory, showing the adding the live demo app, means showing about the deployment of our project. Now showing the table of content in the our this is in a comprehensive documentation of all the project details here. Like it is our flow chart, like firstly clean the data, then exploratory data analysis, then finding the KPI, debug, then performing the deployment. Also, all the things will be here presented presentation. This is an introduction part about my about our project. Then showing that project. This is the showing the project structure. Then video walkthrough about all the project code and the code base also. It is a feature that are implemented and the finding the different insights that can help to be streamline our business process and help to be the help the investor to making the business decision or taking the decision that can help to be in the decision making. So in which company, in which market segment we can invest the money so that getting the more output and more getting the more output and fund getting the most ROI basis on the amount we will invested. So it's showing all the PDF or the images of all our projects. Now, how can we install and set up our code also using by anyone? So we can use this code also, these sections. This is a user's guide and the technology stack that can use for making this project. Also, we can also enhance the future basis. So we can integration the live API so that we can fetch the data and the updating the data basis on the real time basis. Also, we can contribution. So if anyone want to be contributing in our projects, so you can contribute using this and understanding and reading all this documentation and also guiding and providing the pull request so that we can add all this the update in our project. So it is all about my team members. So thank you for providing this opportunity and thank you for the Masai for this constructive project. Thank you so much.